Okay, so 5c, this question is asking us to explain why the electrons are moving through the ammeter from right to left. So the electrons are going from the right-hand cell, which has got the lower concentration, into the left-hand cell, which has got the higher concentration. So on the left-hand side, the copper 2+ ions are accepting the electrons which are coming in. They are essentially doing the reduction reaction in the normal sense. This is on the left-hand side of the equation, left-hand side of the cell, sorry. And so they are accepting those electrons. These are at the higher concentration. So the copper 2+ on this side is at 1.0 molar solution. On the right-hand side, what's happening is the electrons are being released, and so the copper is essentially doing the reverse of that reaction, and so the copper is going to copper 2+ and releasing those electrons. This is on the right-hand side cell. And so these electrons which are being released are the ones which are then moving through the circuit this way. So they're coming from the copper electrode here, which is essentially going to dissolve, and the electrons are going to go into solution and then go through the circuit. What this question is ultimately then getting you to appreciate is the fact that the two concentrations, the 0.2 molar on the right-hand side, which is lower, is going to increase away from the 0.2 molar that it started with, and the 1 molar solution on the left-hand side is going to decrease. And so in essence, what you've got is an equilibration of those two concentrations over time. The left-hand side one, which is more concentrated, is going to decrease because that is going to undergo reduction in its forward direction on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side cell, that's going to undergo oxidation and so allow the increase of the copper 2+ from the lower concentration on the right-hand side.